fly like clouds. Diamonds like stars in skies. You gotta accept that I'm live. Yeah. Pour up a zip of that fluid.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the first thing you want to do is flip your wig inside out, and you're going to spray some Got2b freeze spray on the lace. And the reason why you're doing this is to prevent the color from bleeding through. So whatever color you're dyeing it won't transfer onto your lace when you dye it. So you're going to make sure you spray that really, really good, because you do not want this lace to be whatever color. I'm dyeing it red, and red is of course pretty bold, so you definitely don't want your lace to be that color. So I'm just spraying it in the front and in the back, because this is a 360 lace wig, so I'm spraying it in the front and back. And you just want to make sure that you get all of it. After spraying it, you're going to let it dry for about 10-15 minutes or until it's fully dry. So the next thing you're going to do is get a pot of water, and you want to fill that up and set that to boil. I have these colors is the colors I'm using: crimson, I think raisin orange, and something else. It was like ruby red or something like that. And these are all Adore colors, and a comb. Public service announcement: if my mama watching this video, I'll buy you another bowl. So you're gonna get a big bowl. I wasn't there about to use my mama good pot. No ma'am, no Sam, no turkey, no ham, no. So I'd rather take my chances with this bowl than with her good pot. So next, I just made sure and checked if the lace was dry. Just checking it, seeing if it need a couple more minutes. Hot. We just gonna use the bowl, because it's a good pot, so I can't use the good pot. Yeah. Slur, I was not taking that L on using my mama good pot. But next thing you're gonna do, once you get that bowl, you can pour the hot water into the large bowl. Now, you keep the pot if you want to use the pot, but of course I'm using the bowl because I'm not going to use my mama pot. So I just pour the water in this large bowl, and I'm going to take each of my colors. I think the only one I really had was crimson. Y'all, I used literally half of the bottle, and that's all I had, because some of these colors were pretty empty. Even though I had them in there, they were kind of empty. I used half of it, and then I stirred my mixture, and y'all see it's pretty damn red. It's like fire red, and it's boiling hot. So I stirred the mixture, and I went and got the hair and checked it and made sure if it was dry. After that, you're gonna grab your wig, and you're just going to saturate the whole wig into the bowl. And take your comb, and you're going to push the wig down. Now, I know a lot of you is going to be like, oh, she said she dyed this in under 10 minutes and did this, did that. I did. I dyed it red in under 10 minutes. I didn't say I dyed it from black to blonde to red in under 10 minutes. No, I dyed this blonde like a while back, and I'm just now dyeing it red. So please do not comment or say that it's clickbait, because it ain't clickbait, boo. Okay. So I let the wig sit for about 5 minutes, not even really that, just until I felt the color was deposited onto the wig. And now you see me kind of playing with it in the water, making sure it's fully deposited, making sure all the color is on the hair. And then I'm grabbing my towel, and I'm about to go take this wig out of the bowl. So I think I poured the water out first, and then I took the wig out of the bowl, just to, keep from burning myself or anything like that. So like I said previously, I poured the water out and then took the wig out and put it on a towel. I'm not even gonna show that part because I mean that's self-explanatory and it's kind of a little bit of common sense, so I don't feel the need to really ramble about that. And this is the finished look. I went ahead and dried it and flat ironed it, and I love the way it came out. I hope you guys like this video. Y'all subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Okay, nothing to say but you